looking after the poultry,
Yes.
in the fowls, and
So
the
those
lady,
women who
the
worked.
lady is also Lady Dearborn is also so whimsical, I would say, that my birds need a kind of whistling.
Yes.
Poor,
So
poor,
she
poor
needed
ta-
some training
she
in
needs
that
training
also.
in whistling. See what kind of whims rich
They
people have, and
they
what
carry
kind
it
of,
out
yeah,
at the expense of the employee.
and they make the poor dance on their fingertips.
Yes.
Yes, and poor Tess is helpless. She
Yes.
goes on doing all these things.
And she is something
And
in between a child and a young woman, so she couldn't understand
16,
exactly.
16
Yes,
years
16
age means
years.
hardly a student of 7th or 8th standard.
She is merely a child.
We can understand the innocence, of course. I would call her an innocent girl.
And she is
then-
trapped in a situation. The villagers are also
Yeah.
very rough.
And they go on a pilgrimage every Sunday to a
Yes.
nearby place.
and they
and
get
they-
drunk and all those things. So
Yeah.
it was very natural.
While coming back, Alec deliberately separates Tess from the crowd. He takes her to a bushes,
Yes,
and
and then-
actually seduces her, rapes her,
Yes.
ravishes her, totally without that, before
then,
this child could understand.
As if it was the fault of this girl, the society blames her later, and even her husband Angel, who was very madly in love with this girl, he
And-
also
and-
finds
And
fault with this.
Alec also accuses her, it is your fault. He
Yes.
goes on calling my beauty and my pretty lady and my beautiful lady, and he goes on calling
Yes.
that it is because of you. You
Yes.
tempt me, and temptation is one of the sins.
Yes, so woman was considered guilty of
Ultimately,
so many things.
Tess conceives, gives birth to a child,
She suffers a lot.
suffers a lot, comes back to the family.
She loves the child in spite
is-
of the fact that the child was
Not
the consequence
baptized, yes.
of
Even baptism, he
Yes.
is not baptized
And it's
legally.
a beautifully portrayed scene that Tess, with the help of her younger brothers and sisters, baptizes the child. So here there is
Poor
also a
child
role
dies.
of religion. They read from the Bible, and it is rather the relation with the self and God, and no parson is there in between. So
Certainly.
Hardy has also commented on the role of church. He has done everything in a very detailed manner. He shows that man versus nature. Man is born in such a way that he suffers no matter what he does, no matter
Certainly.
how good he is. So Tess is a victim in a way, but there can be so many
when the
interpretations
child
of the
dies,
text.
when the child dies, no,
Yes.
the mother advises, and she is asked to begin afresh.
Yes.
No? Poor girl tries to find a job.
Job
and
in
yes,
the dairy,
we can go
yes.
to here. She gets a job in the dairy. Very beautiful picture of the countryside.
Yes.
If you want to read Hardy's nature, no, the actual countryside, which was totally disturbed, no.
Yes,
In
now
the,
it
in the
is
name
not
of
found
urbanization
anywhere.
and in the
Yes.
name of growth and development, no. Beautiful picture of this countryside is
countryside.
presented by Hardy.
Very hard life also, but
how the milkmaids would be milking the cows, and
Yes.
what kind of singing, and
Yes.
it's a very
the
beautiful
village
world.
fairs and
Even
the
when we read, we
contests.
feel that Hardy is trying to explain us how this industrialization or the so-called urbanization
Has
destroyed all these beautiful
beauty.
things upon the earth.
Yes.
Oh,
And
yes.
the dialect also, he used the regional dialects, variety of dialects, and Tess could speak the refined language as well as the regional language because she was an educated girl. She had studied till 6th standard, so she could use language. So Hardy has brought the regional elements, the background, the nature, the village life, the village fair, the rural language. So these are some of the things which have been very well documented in his novel. So for that also, students, you will enjoy this novel. Now let us go further.
Yes, Angel comes to her life when she is working in the dairy actually. and angel, the name itself suggests an angel.
Yes.
No, angels are only upon
Yes.
upon a spiritual level, perhaps I would
Yes.
say.
As if
No?
to.
It's a man of ideas. Somebody has-
Angels usually save a person from a miserable life, but here,
Yeah.
though he loves her, he
That's
is
the irony.
incapable of.
No? But angel gets attracted towards this girl.
They get
It is-
married.
It is in the earlier chapter, rather chapter number 1 or 2. Angel gets a chance of seeing Tess.
Yes.
The writer has
Yes.
very
In the
nicely.
beginning, there is a short
The
introduction
writer has very nicely described the infatuation
between the two.
Between the two in the first or the second chapter, when they go for a dance, the country girls, Angel with his brothers comes over there, dances for a while, and goes leaving Tess a little bit attracted towards him.
Yes.
And Angel finds in Tess purity.
Yes. In fact,
Angel thinks that this is a country girl, natural girl, nature incarnate rather, and a beautiful girl needing rather protection, love, and so he is attracted towards her and gets married to her.
yes, they get married, but as soon as Angel comes to know about the past, he leaves Tess, his beautiful young wife, in agony. He himself suffers because he considered her a pure woman, but he could not accept her as she was.
Here
And that
also-
is the tragedy, because they are the true, theirs is the true love, and somehow Angel could not accept her at that time. Later he realizes his mistake and returns to Tess, but by that time it is too late.
Here also,
now let us,
Tess's clever mother advises her not to
reveal her past.
Not to reveal the past. No? But Tess is so loyal,
yes.
so faithful, and so pure at heart. Rather, I would say truthful.
No, that is the
No?
flaw in her character. She is so truthful to herself.
Yeah, and she loves. No,
Yes.
she totally dedicates herself to Angel. Even in the later chapters when she writes a letter after Angel deserts her, there also we find, we shall be reading some parts of the later in the later part of our
In
lecture.
fact, the problem with Tess is that she doesn't make compromises even when it is necessary. Even earlier, if she had made compromises, she would have been living happily with Alec, or she would have even forced him to marry her. But she is not that type of a person. She is so loyal to her own conscience, rather, that she suffers because of that also, you can say. Now, after that, Tess leads a wretched life, and then again she falls in the hands of Alec.
Here also,
yes,
fate plays the
A
same
major role,
a major
yes.
role. Tess reveals the story of her seduction and in which circumstances she was victimized by Alec, and how she has, after their marriage,
yes,
never thought of any other person. The very touching letter she sends to Alec's
Alec.
house, and chance or luck or destiny, whatever you call it, plays
Angel
a vital
never
role. Yes,
receives
the
it.
angel never receives the letter, as the letter creeps under the carpet,
yes,
and it is later on received and read by the parents and sent to Angel. But it is too late.
too late.
Angel deserts her. Not only this, he becomes unhappy also that he has trusted a wrong woman. See, here also, Angel and Tess, right man and a wrong woman.
Yes.
For Tess, when we read the novel, we think that Angel must be a right man if Alec was a wrong man.
Yes,
But
Angel
he also proves to be a wrong man. That is the Hardy's philosophy, perhaps.
You
Whenever
can also say that it is a process of evolution that the society is passing through. Angel's feelings are very true, but he has some you can say prejudice in his minds, which are very difficult to fight with. So, by the time he realizes his mistake and returns to his love, it is too late.
Madam,
But maybe there might be a change that is approaching.
Yes.
So when falls in the hands of Alec, her
Yeah,
seducer once
in
again.
which circumstances actually
Yes.
it is worth noting and reading rather. No? The circumstances in which Tess has to go back to Alec. She hates Alec.
Yes.
There is not a single line in the book which proves that she has ever
liked
loved
even liked that
liked
person.
Alec. Her mother dies.
Father
Dies.
Yes.
And poor family because they were holders. no?
Yes.
And it is the novel has been described, or I mean it has been suggested as a thesis. It is a thesis, no? Talking about the peasantry, especially the cottagers, the smallholders.
Yes.
Those
And
who-
there used to be large
Yeah.
families.
And-
There are so many brothers and sisters, and Tess has to provide for
and
them.
father's death.
Yes.
When Tess's father, Mr. John Derbyfield, dies, the family has no right on the cottage.
Yes.
I would read a few lines from the book.
Yes.
No? How this urbanization process totally uprooted and threw away the original
peasants,
dwellers,
dwellers.
from their natives. The book runs like this. These families who had formed the backbone of the village life in the past, who were the depositories of the village traditions, had to seek refuge in the large centers. The process, humorously designated by statistician as the tendency of the rural population towards the large towns, being really the tendency of water to flow uphill when forced by machinery. Tess's family is also asked to, compelled to
Yes.
leave the
this
place. To a
They
nearby
are not even the tenants now.
to a nearby village, and not even a cart is provided to
Given.
them for transportation of these goods. It is raining. Tess goes to the place Kingsbury and to where her forefathers, the
Yes.
urban villages, are there, and poor Tess has no option. No,
She has no option.
Children are starving almost. There is no one to look after them. No, and at this time, Alec offers her a help, telling
Yes.
that he has changed and he is repenting and this and that. Villain is a villain, no, having a very sweet tongue. And here also, Tess is not, I would say, tempted.
Yes.
Here
but
also,
she
I would not
accepts
call it a
as
temptation. I would call it a helplessness on the part of a girl who has lost her parents, who is the eldest of the family, and who has to look after her younger brothers and
In fact, she has
sisters.
taken
And-
the place of her father long back when she was driving the cart and the horse dies on the road. At that time, she was doing the duty which actually her father was supposed to do. So, she has, though she is a child only, she has taken the responsibility of the family, and even before the death, we will see
and,
that
and
she.
madam,
Yes.
even the letter that she has written,
Yes.
no, it has not been responded. It has not been responded. Not the least response comes from Angel, because he did not receive the letter. Here also there is fate. No?
Yes.
Hardy says, no, what we call chance or destiny or luck or nature.
Yes.
No? It is a blind force turning the wheel of fortune.
Yes.
No? Man is in such a position, and that is why she goes back to Alec.
Alec.
No?
Yeah,
Angel
we shall
is in
just
Brazil,
complete it. There are only
Yeah.
2 lines. Then Angel returns when Tess is already become the mistress of Alec. Now Angel is ready to accept his wife. Now in a rage, Tess kills the villainous Alec. Then Tess is found guilty. She is executed. She is sentenced to death. At that time also, Tess thinks of her younger sister Lisa Lou and asks Angel to marry her when she is did.
Yeah.
So she is always playing the role of a responsible daughter, an elder sister, also a wife also, because now she thinks of Angel who will be alone in the world. So she is a very strong person, though she is very young at the time of her death also.
Even towards the end when she is hanged,
Yes,
she is 21. Just
she is
21.
only 21 and
Just
she has
21.
gone through a very miserable life.
And she knows that she is to be hanged.
Yes. So this is the plot from the beginning to end. Hardy was, very much targeted with very bitter criticism after the publication of this novel. Some people accepted his novel, so the novel received mixed reaction. But Hardy told them, if an offense comes out of the truth, better is it that the offense come than the truth be concealed.
Right.
So it was his first hand experience of the rural England of the feudal system. So he said that if you do not like it, it's your problem, but this is the truth. So it exists in the society. So this is how it
The
is.
truth of the society, the truth of nature, truth of Christianity, and truth of human being.
Human being.
No,
Yes,
Hardy
he
is trying to
ultimately.
discuss all these things, perhaps.
Yes.
Uh,
He does establish the fact that there is a relation between nature and men, and nature is sometimes indifferent to human suffering, and sometimes it reflects human suffering. Tessa's suffering is often portrayed in the picture of nature
Hardy,
that surrounds.
so far as Hardy's concept of nature is concerned, no?
Yes.
Nature is not very benevolent.
Yes.
Hardy's nature is very cruel. It is stated that Hardy tries to present the conflict between man and nature, man
yes.
and woman. When he is presenting a conflict between man and nature, he is on the part of